So, you finally got a new bike and are ready to take it out for a ride. And insurance?
Why insurance?
Well, under the Motor Vehicles Act, insurance for every bike owner is mandatory, and the challan fine for riding without it is pretty hefty. Furthermore, poor road conditions, reckless driving, etc. increase the chances of accidents, which can cause damage to the bike, injury to you, or even worse. So why pay for the hefty challans or bear the cost of damage to your bike or yourself when Reliance Bike Ka Yaar is here to safeguard you from all such situations for much less? What's more, Bike Ka Yaar offers add-ons like nil depreciation cover, daily allowance benefit, EMI protection cover, helmet cover, and more. Plus, it's instant, it's convenient, and it's hassle-free. So, don't ask. Just secure your two-wheeler from unforeseen roadblocks with Reliance Bike Ka Yaar fast. For more information, visit reliancegeneral.co.in or call your insurance advisor today. And live smart with Reliance General Insurance.